Welcome to PaidLink, the easiest tool for selling your digital products as a creator or time as a consultant or private tutor. Start with creating your account using email, Google or Facebook account. After creating a new account with PaidLink, complete your account registration in Stripe, as PaidLink uses Stripe payment service provider to enable payouts to your bank account. To create your first paid link to any kind of digital content, such as the link to your Zoom, exclusive video on YouTube, or files on Google Drive, click on Create a Link. Paste the link to your product. Set your price. Enter the product name and description. Click Create, and that's it. Now you can customize your paid link, share it anywhere you want, and accept payments from all over the world. When your buyers click the paid link, they get to the checkout page with product description and payment interface. Right after completing the payment, the users see the purchase confirmation page with the button for accessing the purchased digital product. You can create an event link and sell your appointments or your time. Click on Create a Link, then Event, enter your product name and description, click on Add New Event. Set the date, time, duration, enter the link to your Zoom or other service, and set the price. Click Save. Add more events, if needed, to enable multiple slots in one link. Click on Create, and you got your paid event link. You can also create a fundraising link and collect donations. Click on Create a Link and choose Donation. Enter description. Click on Create, and you got your donation link ready. You can customize it if needed. Now you can share it on any platform and collect donations from any part of the world. Interested in a passive income? Check out your affiliates page with your personal affiliate link. Share it with your friends and get a percentage of all the sales from them, and 10 affiliate levels down for a lifetime. All your links, balances, and upcoming events can be accessed through your PaidLink dashboard. We hope you will enjoy making money with PaidLink.